I welcome CH Avantika on importance of self-motivation. Welcome Avantika.
Hi everyone, my name is CH Avantika from 8th grade. Today here to take a seminar on importance of self-motivation. Unfolding the path to a successful life, discover the key to self-motivation by icons like Mark, Steve Jobs. Learn how self-motivation can shape your future. It involves with the internal drive and skills needed for constant productivity, goal achievement, and in the face of challenges. Young Mark didn't know what to do next. All his attempts were going in vain. Failing repeatedly, his life was becoming more difficult day by day. A few even approached him with buyout options for his dream company, which was not doing well. He wanted them to bounce back and perform well. Thank you.
Next, I welcome P. Hanika on topic advantages and disadvantages of AI.
Hi everyone, my name is P. Hanika from 8th grade. Now I would like to speak a few words about advantages and disadvantages of AI. Artificial intelligence offers significant benefits in and problem solving, but also challenges regarding cost, jobs displacements and ethics. Advantages of AI: increasing equality, automate repetitive tasks equally as and without human or basic 24/7 availability, provides continuous
Time Manishandana. Next, I welcome K. Varshini on topic global warming and climate change. Welcome Varshini.
Hello everyone, my name is Varshini from 8th grade. Now I would like to explain about global warming and climate change. Global warming and climate change are among most critical environmental effects facing humanity today. What is global warming? Global warming is a gradually increase in Earth's average surface due to build up of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. Major cases: deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, agricultural activities. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperatures, precipitation, wind patterns and other assets due greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps the earth warm enough to sustain life. Impacts of global warming and climate change. Environmental impacts: melting polar ice caps, rising sea levels. Economic impacts: damage to agriculture, loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services. Social impacts: food and water scarcity, health problems, global efforts and agreements. Kyoto Protocol in 1997, the first international treaty to reduce. My name is B. Akshara. I am from 8th grade. Now I would like to tell about poverty and its various dimensions. Poverty dimension extend beyond more lack of include multiple areas of depression such as health, education, standard of living, social exclusion. These non-economic factors are calculable for a complete understanding of poverty's multiplied nature. Economic and material dimensions. Lack of resources. This includes not having enough money for exchanges, but also extends to a lack of decent work, increased income and material processes. Relative in their society. Social and political dimensions. Social exclusion. Being marginalized and excluded from social activities, supports networks and public life. Lack of opportunities. Limited access to education, good job, social activities, support networks and public life. Lack of opportunities. Health and well-being dimensions. Poor health. This can be caused by a lack of access to health care and medicines, poor nutrition and living in unnecessary unsanitary conditions. Malnutrition. Not having enough food. Hi everyone, my name is M. Sitikashri from 8th grade. Today, seminar is video games and their impact on school children. Video games have both positive and negative impacts on school children, include quantitative benefits like improved problem solving and creativity, risks such as potential for aggression from violent games and negative impacts on physical health and sleep from excessive play. Potential benefits. Educational value and social development. Educational value. Some games are specifically designed to be educational and can improve learning in various subjects. Social development. Multiplayer games can foster teamwork and communication skills as children play and strategize with others. Potential drawbacks. Mental and physical health. Excessive gaming can lead to sleep, depression and other mental health issues, especially in vulnerable children like those who have ADHD. Addiction. The entertaining nature of video games can lead to addictive behavior with negative effects on a children's overall well-being. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tia Mulya. I am from 8th grade. Today I would like to speak about did India really got freedom. India gained independence from British rule on August 15, 1947 and adopted its own constitution on January 26, 1950, which established it as a fully self-governing nation. Internal issues such as custom, religious division and corruption. Examples including ongoing poverty and inequality which persist despite economic growth and the influence of corruption and communication which undermine social cohesion and development. Ongoing challenges like caste and religious discrimination. Despite being a secular republic, India continues to grapple with deep-seated issues of caste and religious discrimination that fuel social tension and inequality. Many argue that women in our India still face significant challenges and inequalities, including issues related to since independence, there has been significant progress in securing women's rights through ongoing social movements and legal reforms. Education and employment. Female literacy rates have increased and women have made strides in various professional fields including politics, science and the armed force. Thank you.
We will welcome A. Manichandana on topic women's safety in present world.
Hi everyone, my name is Eman Chandana. I am from 8th grade. Today's topic about women's safety in the present world is a major concern with many women experiencing harassment and violence in the public and private spaces. Signed, the issue is complicated by issues like underreporting, includes legal protection and social activities, improves women's safeties requires a multi-feature approach that includes government initiatives, technology.
Let's welcome M. Sharanya on importance of reading.
Hello everyone, my name is M. Sharanya from 8th grade. Now I would explain about importance of reading. Reading books is a very good habit and play a very important role in everyone's life. It helps a critical role in enhancing our knowledge and broadening our mind. Books are known to be our best friend. Friendship with a good book makes you a good person. Reading books can inform you and lead you in the right direction. Reading books can also improve our memory power, reduce stress and increase our mental power. It also increase our focus in life. Reading books stimulate our brain muscles and keep our brain healthy, strong and sharp. Thank you.
Reading. How many of them read books? What books do you read? Textbooks, huh? Do you read any other books like comics? Books written by any famous authors? Try to read that also. You will improve your reading and it will help in education. I welcome K. Tejasri on topic knowledge is power. Welcome.
Hi everyone, my name is K. Tejasri. I am from 8th grade. Today's topic is about knowledge is power. Knowledge means learning new things and understanding the world around us. When we have knowledge, we make good decisions and solve problems. That is why people say knowledge gives us power. A student uses knowledge to do well in studies. A doctor uses knowledge to treat patients. Scientists use knowledge to make new inventions. In every part of life, knowledge helps us grow and successful. Knowledge also gives us confidence. It protects us from believing in wrong ideas or suspicions. It gives us know what is right and what is wrong. Knowledge is a powerful tool. Knowledge is a powerful tool. It can change in our life. Thank you.
Welcome S. Krutika on topic corruption and its impact.
Hi everyone, my name is S. Krutika. I am from 8th grade. Now I am explaining about corruption and its impact. Do you know what is corruption? Yes. Corruption, the abuse of power for private gain, bribery, theft, fraud. Impact, economic harm, steal public money, slow growth, increasing poverty, social harm, erodes public trust and increasing inequalities. Development harm, leads to poor service and infatuation, discourage investment. In short, corruption is a destructive force that makes society unfair and stunts progress. Waste public money. Funds that would be used for public good are misused or stunt progress. Impact of corruption. Economic impact. Slow economic growth. Corruption intended for public projects like road, school and hospitals into the pockets of a few individuals. Thank you.
All children, that was a wonderful seminar and we have said different topics and I hope all are clearly understood what we have discussed here, right? So we have completed successfully our seminar session 2 and now I welcome our correspondent sir to give some opinions about it. Welcome you sir.
Good afternoon, my dear students and the teachers. Very good. How are you all? I am fine, sir. How are you, sir? I am also fine. Are you excited to hear these programs? Participate in the programs? Yes, okay. See the children. Now I understand that all the children are participating in these programs. But some of the children, they don't have the self-confidence. Understand? Without self-confidence, we cannot achieve anything. If you want to participate in any programs, want to make it very grand success, what we need? We need the self-confidence. Understand? The second one is hard work. See, the hard work is very essential and important for achieving the goal. That is very important one, and every time you have to remember that there is no shortcut for education.
Thank you, sir. That was very impactful for all of children, and you have to follow this in your life. You'll get good career in your life. Now, welcome Nachkeet sir for some words on the seminar.
First of all, I would like to thank our principal madam and our correspondent sir for giving this opportunity to our children to get out of the box and have expressed their thoughts in front of every children. On this dais, I would like to share my thoughts, how you presented your seminar and how you expressed your thoughts. That was amazing experience. I remember when I was a child, I used to do like you only because at that time no one is to guide us. Our teachers express as we are expressing you. Okay, they address like our correspondents are our principal madam, how they express their feelings and how they address us, and now we are doing the same thing. So what is the main thing is we learn through the mistakes. So I request all the students to learn from the mistakes. For giving this opportunity to our children. Thank you. Now I would like to call our Nikita teacher and add some words about addressing the students.
Hi children. How are you? Actually you people did a great job because nobody are there to stand here. When I was as your age, I did not have much there, but now I just stood here. But you people, when you encourage yourself and you have to put some courage on you and you have to come here and stand. Nobody will pushes you back. Okay, you people are the one who want to keep confident to the others also. Okay, you are the most senior people, especially 8th class. You have to give some strength to your juniors and motivate them to come here. And you people, somebody did mistakes, somebody may not. But who did mistakes, just correct it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful address for our little chance. Now I would like to call our school captain, our school leader, one who stands in front of everyone and take us to the glory. I would like to call our principal madam. Please ma'am, come on to the dais and express your words and announce the prizes.
Good afternoon, my dears. How is feeling now? Good. Yes. Fine. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So today we are successfully completed our seminar session 2. Okay. So I would like to congratulate my dear little tunes for participating this program very actively. Your performance is very good. Okay, congratulations, my dear. I know all the children are eagerly waiting for the first. Who got the first prize and second prize? I know. Is it right? Am I right? Yes. Yeah. So now I am going to announce the session 2 winners, first prize and second prize. Okay. So session 2 seminar program. The first prize goes to D. Amulya from 8th grade. to K. Varshini from 8th grade. Varshini, come on. Varshini topic was global warming and climate changing. Very good topic and you did a wonderful performance. Thank you and congratulations Varshini. Keep it up. Okay. Announce third prize. The session 2, total 11 members are participated. So in this session we are giving third prize also. The third prize goes to M. Siddhikasri from 8th grade. Very good dear. Congratulations my dear. You got third first speaker award. Okay.
Next we welcome our best participant Kritika. Best participant Tejashree. 8th grade. Come on. Session 2, but don't think that we have completely stopped this. We are coming up with new projects and we'll have new competitions for everyone. So this is just the beginning. We will have our 7th class next and we will be continuing these competitions. We'll bring up all the children and we'll bring their courage to make them more precious for our school. So before that I would like to thank all our respected ma'am and respected sir for conducting this wonderful seminar and this has helped us so many insecurities from you and you're coming out of your comfort zone. Now you're trying to break all the rules. Now you are trying to speak up for yourself. So this is a great opportunity for all of you and this is great opportunity for us teachers for making you more courageous. So thank you ma'am and thank you sir for making this opportunity and I congratulate all the winners and all the participants who come up with their ideas. That was wonderful and we will be continuing all the session now and then. Thank you all. Thank you for making this event precious. Thank you.